Hello friends, welcome to hrgarden. Today we are going to talk about a very common houseplant which can survive in low light, drought and which have very less problem, called snake plant, mother-in-law's tongue or SENSEVIERIA. This plant can be grown indoor or outdoor. If you are keeping this plant outside during the hot summer, keep it in shade, otherwise its leaf may burn. So out here you can see the tip of the leaf has burned out here. I've kept it outside whole day. Snake plant grows well in shady area where it gets indirect light. Make loose soil which can drain well. I've used 1 part of coco peat, 1 part of sand and 1 part of compost. Water this plant when the top of the potting mixture is dry. You can just check it. So my soil is moist, so I don't need to water this plant right now. If you are growing indoor, water less. Don't overwater this plant. Overwater causes root rot and plant may die. House plant does not require too much of fertilizer. You can give a dilute balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing period. Summer is the growing period of snake plant. I planted both this plant together. Now you can see this plant. The pods are coming out of the pot. You can see this, how big this plant is, and you can see this plant. Now I have grown this plant in a very small container, and whereas I have given 7.5 inch of pot out there, almost 8 inch of pot. So what I have noticed is, to get more faster growth, use small size pot which is well draining. Propagation can be done by cutting or dividing the plant while repotting, or new shoot that comes out of the soil can be taken and potted independently. I am going to demonstrate the propagation of snake plant in part 2. Repotting is best during the spring. I have never seen this plant attacked by any insect, and I have never used any insecticide or any spray for this plant. Sometime you may face some of the problems while growing the snake plant. Root rotting is one of the most common problems in snake plant. Root rotting is caused by overwatering. Do not overwater this plant. When you see the leaves getting yellow, so you have to understand that you have overwatered your plant and you need to check the watering. Sometimes you may notice limping of leaves. Now in this case, you see my leaves are limping. The plant is very strong as I have used very well drained potting mixture, but these leaves are limping. Now limping of leaves may be because of overwatering or underwatering, or if you keep this plant whole day in the sun, this may occur. Now you can see this, okay, it's because of underwatering. Soil has become completely dry. Because of direct sunlight, the leaves has burned. At the same time they are limping, so I need to water this plant and keep this plant in a shade. Benefit of this plant: SENSEVIERIA helps to keep air inside your home clean by absorbing the toxic air pollutant. This is one of the easiest growing house plant with a minimal care and at a low cost, and you can keep this plant anywhere in your garden or indoor. And moreover, this plant is going to be with you for many years. This plant can survive from 5 to 25 years. So you must get this plant today itself, friend. This is it for today, friend. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.